Hello friends, I'm Professor Bhushan Mansre and I'm from the Department of Information Technology from TGPCET. And today we will have introduction regarding what the artificial intelligence is. So, hope you will enjoy this. First of all, introduction. What is AI? What is artificial intelligence? Then we will be studying the foundations of AI, then the brief history of AI, the state of art, and then the introductory problems also. So we will be going step by step over here. Okay. So first of all, let us concentrate on what do you mean by AI? What does it mean AI? What does AI stands for? Okay. So when we talk of AI stands for artificial intelligence. First of all, it is a artificial, it is not a natural. It means that this particular intelligence is human made, right? It is not a natural, it hasn't came from the nature, right? And second is the intelligence. Of course, you all know the meaning of intelligence. So when we talk of this as a collective term as artificial intelligence, what does it mean? So, the study of how to make programs or computers do things that the people will do better. It means that we people want the computers or the programs to do the task that we human are performing, but we want those things to be done by programs and computers at a much faster rate and with a great accuracy. Okay, because we people are a human being, we used to prone to the errors, right? And so in order to just simply increasing the accuracy and the speed of performing any particular task, we want the programs or the computers, right, to do these things so that they can also do better or even better than human beings. The study of how to make a computer solve problems which requires knowledge and intelligence. Of course, whenever you expect from the computers that they will solve any particular problem, the program or the computer should have the knowledge and it should have the intelligence also. Intelligence means it should have the ability to think, right? And the knowledge means the exact procedure, do's and don'ts of what to do and what not to do, right? So all these particular things we as a human being we need to fill into the computers so that they will fulfill our expectations, like they are performing the task like us but with a greater accuracy and with a very good speed. The exciting new efforts to make a computers that will think, that is a machine with the minds. So we can say, like, suppose if we are creating such machines which are having the ability to think, which are ability to perform any task at a much faster rate with a great accuracy, we will say that the machines will have a mind like a human. And of course, everyone will require such machine because those machines will perform the task on their behalf and of course with a great speed and a great accuracy also. So, the automation of the activities that we associate with human thinking, it means that now we are automating the activities. We are actually doing such a series of programs that will automate our task. It means without a human intervention, the computer system or the programs will solve the problem or they will perform the task same as what humans will do. So, in order to do anything, what we want the intelligence, we want the knowledge, and both of the things we will feed into the computer in the form of a programs, right? And this particular knowledge and this particular intelligence will bring the ability to have a decision making power, the ability to learn, and in some factual terms, the ability to understand, to acquire new skills and everything, where the human beings take a little bit time with the late accuracy. The art of creating a machine that performs the functions that requires intelligence when performed by people. It means that this artificial intelligence could also be termed as the art. The art of what? The art of creating a machines. But what machines? I mean, how the machines will be? The machines that have the ability to perform functions. But then what functions? The functions which requires the intelligence. And when they have the ability to possess the intelligence and the knowledge also, then definitely the computer system will be able to do the things same as what the human beings are doing. The study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. Yes, when we talk of the computers which are thinking, which are learning, which are doing everything just like a human being, at that time it is very important to understand how the human mind used to work. There is one branch of science which is called as a cognitive science. Okay, and we need to study this particular branch of science, that is a cognitive science, in order to understand how the human mind thinks, how the human mind stores the knowledge and the intelligence, and how it incorporates both of these two in order to achieve a particular goal or in order to achieve a success in any particular task. So it is but obvious that we have to study the human brains also, as we are trying to imitate the human brains into the machine. And in order to study the human brains, definitely we should have a knowledge of the cognitive science. The main reason behind this is this, that whatever is the process to deliver the knowledge and the intelligence to the computers, why not to make it similar to the process the human brain acquires the knowledge, the human brain acquires the intelligence. If we use the same methodology, then definitely the scientists do think that the computers will also have the ability to understand, ability to learn, ability to perform the task, ability to think, and many other things which the human mind is actually capable of. Then the AI can also be said as a field of study that seeks to explain and emulate the intelligent behavior in terms of the computational processes. Definitely, because if we want any particular task which is being done by a human being to get done from the computer system, that means to emulate the intelligent behavior of a human beings into a computer system, then definitely we have to embed this capability into the computer with the help of some computational processes. And in order to make this particular processes to get readable by the computers, we first have to design the computational models also. So if we think like the human brain as a model, as a computational model for the computer system, then we can implement that particular model to create the processes. The processes means what? The processes, computational processes, which used to do some sort of a computation, right? And those particular processes will be embedded into the computer system. It will implement, it will execute those computational processes to exhibit the intelligent behavior as exactly what the human beings used to exhibit. The branch of a computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. Whatsoever intelligent behavior the humans used to present, we people are actually trying to automate it. We people are trying to get it done without a human intervention. But for that we will need a computers, and for that we need to study the computer science also. Because if we know the computer science very well, then the process of putting the automation of intelligent behavior into the computers will be very easy for us. But there is one thing, as we people are a human beings and we do have a brains, we do have a very good branch of science as a cognitive science, but still we are not able to realize the 100% modus operandi of human brains. So maybe right now it is the situation that even though we won't be able to model perfectly the human brain into a machines, but definitely we can approach that particular perfection. Okay, so this is what all about AI is. So this artificial intelligence used to help the human beings to get the things done. Again, I am saying at a very faster rate and with a great accuracy, because the humans are error prone. Okay, and as far as the question of emotions is concerned, yes, the AI also focuses on putting the emotions into the computer system so that in a particular situation the computer may think little bit emotionally also, so that it can lead to a right decision making regarding the implementation of a, a specific task. Okay, so uh, we can say in a simple words that AI means just creating another human being, okay, but that human being will be a machine inside, right? So this is all about AI, okay, and if you do have any questions, you please may ask in the comment section. Thank you.